So I just plugged this thing in and it started. Okay, I didn't press this button. That's not how it should be. In fact, I tried to start and it didn't, but then second case it did. What the hell? Also, I was looking at the user manual. It says that this is a touchscreen, which doesn't actually say anywhere else, and I didn't get this as a touchscreen. Okay, in fact, it says that before you turn this on, charge for 3 hours here in Turkish. So I wasn't even gonna turn it on. It turned itself on, and now that it's coming on, I am not willing to turn it off. Well, I wasn't gonna even turn it on. Here, two lights. One says that it's charging, and the other one, I guess, that's on. It has DVD, at least, reader. You'll see if it also has writer functionality. And this thing is coming on. Yeah. I'm looking at if there is some sort of important information, and does it say the power supply? Wait a second, just a moment. So it comes with a Turkish keyboard, see, but it's the Windows English. Weird. Does it even come with like 2 different languages? I don't know. Does it say the power adapter is... no. It has a separate numpad, as you can see there. The 14-inch model doesn't. The 15-inch does, but this is now a bit of a useless thing. I mean, I can't understand. It says that touch screen here in Turkish, and here again, touch screen, so both of them are touch screens. And only on select models does it come with a microphone. It does come with a microphone, okay? Again, you can see it. Weird. Okay, it's trying to turn on. Does it see it here? For 33 watt, for 45 watt, and 65 watt. I say what? I don't even know which one it is. Weird. So yeah, this is the general model number again. It says it's a portable. It has 2.3 millimeter of clicking depth, and in terms of resolution, it should be high definition only, not full high definition. It's not hiding those type of things, is it? No. And in terms of screen inch, I'm not sure. It says that 15 inches. I'm not sure if it is 15 inches or 15.5, etc. So yeah, it comes with a continue and select that language. Okay, I can choose different things here. Let's go with English. Yes. I wasn't even going to this part today. But it's an obligatory turning it on for the first time. What's this? Hi there, I'm Cortana.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
And I hate you.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay.
You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator.
No, I don't want.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. Let's dig in just in a moment. So
your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
I'm not sure. I said I'm not sure.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
No.
Which keyboard do you want to use?
I hate you, Cortana. Did you get it? No, you didn't get it, did you?
I've got that you want to use Norwegian. Is that right?
No, idiot. No.
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
So this is Turkish key. I mean Q. I guess it's freaking selected. How do I go back? Can't go back. No. What's this? Ease of access. What's this? Disable voice control. How do I go back? I can't go back. Hate you. I need to go with Turkish Q because then I will be pressing other stuff. So.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip. The thing is, I'm actually used to English typing or American.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you have to accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows. Do you accept?
I can go back.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Your keyboard is set to Turkish Q. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Why do I have two layouts?
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you have to accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows. Do you accept?
No. No. Damn it, I accepted.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
No.
Okay, how about this next one on the list?
No.
0 for 2. I'll quit guessing now. Go ahead and select the one you'd like to use.
She said cat videos, right? Damn it. So let's see if I can.
0 for 2. I'll quit guessing now.
Yes.
Go ahead and select the one you'd like to use.
Oh, so in order to do this, I need to. Again, I need hold on, people. Sorry about the stupid late. Oh, almost. What are you doing? No. What are you doing?
Type what you want to name your account.
Oh, damn it. Why doesn't this fit? Oh, it's the other variant. That's why it doesn't fit. Oh, sorry. I have never tried something like this before. Oh, okay. Yep. Done that. Let's go with this.
Now let's get you connected. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
No. No.
Okay, how about this next one on the list?
No.
0 for 2. I'll quit guessing now. Go ahead and select the one you'd like to use. All right, you're connected. Now, we'll check for any updates.
Sure. Check for a bunch of updates. A great deal bunch of updates. Okay. Plugged in. This thing is very...
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
very flimsy. And of course I will go with offline account.
Type what you want to name your account.
Oh, the keyboard is terrible. The keyboard is terrible.
Okay, now type a password for your account.
No password. Okay. My other laptop, which is Dell, it came with Windows 10 as well, but there was no Cortana.
Hey, look! It's the me part of setup. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Let me stop the video here for a second.